to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Faith, and in this vlog I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for a weekend in my life as a nurse. And y'all, look at my little cute mic that I got. I'm really hoping that this elevates my quality and allows you guys to hear me a lot more. But yeah, right now I'm getting ready to go for a wax appointment, and then I have a few other things planned for the week. If y'all know anything about waxing, y'all know that you definitely have to shower before, but honestly I like to exfoliate and shower like right before my appointment. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I do have an African net sponge that I use like on a daily, but when I'm getting ready to actually go for a wax, I use these exfoliating gloves, and of course like I change out my gloves. So yeah, I will come back when I'm out the shower. Hey y'all, so I am in the car now. I got dressed and all that. I didn't eat anything. I'm probably gonna just wait until after my appointment to eat. I wanted to cook this like pasta dish. That's what I'm probably gonna end up making, but my appointment is at 5, so I shouldn't be too late because it is only 4:27, and I'm actually scheduled to get there at 4:40, so that's actually perfect. But y'all, I am so excited that Mariah dropped her tour dates. I'm definitely gonna be going to that concert for sure. I went to the one with Lotto and Mariah the Scientist, so I'm looking forward to going to just like a Mariah the Scientist concert specifically. Hey y'all, so today is September 19th, it's Friday, and it's like 10:56 now, so I wanted to come on here and say good morning to you guys. So right now I'm on my way to the bank, and then after that I'm going to be going to the gas station to get some gas for my car. And really I need to get a car wash, but I don't know if I'm going to do that in this vlog. If I do go to the car wash, so you guys will see it. And then after that I have a hair appointment at 12, so I really wanted to try to get all this stuff done before my appointment. I forgot to tell y'all that I went to the concert with Chris Brown and Bruno Mars. Oh my bad, not Bruno Mars. Summer Walker and Bryson Tiller was there, and honestly they both did a good job, but I feel like Summer Walker could have did Heart of a Woman, but needless to say, it was a good concert and I had a good time. So yeah, that was like last month I think now. Cause yeah, it's September, so that was this August. Back in the car now from the gas station, and I'm getting ready to get something to eat real fast, and I'm gonna be going to head to the salon where I'm getting my hair done.
I find why give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all.
Hey y'all, so I am back in the car now, obviously after my hair appointment, and I actually love how my hair turned out. She did trim a little bit as you guys saw, but my hair at the ends feels so healthy, and I'm going to show you like the length check once I'm able to actually stop. I'm on my way now to my nail appointment, so I can't wait to show you guys my hair and my nails. But y'all, this is what my nails look like. She basically did like a gel polish. I wanted her to add like tips on my nails to make my nails a little longer, but I guess I booked the wrong service. So next time when I go, I'm definitely gonna book the right appointment. But I mean, my nails are still cute. They're just short. And I mean, I guess for work, like they'll be decent since they won't be noticeable. And I got my hair in a silk press. I can't wait to show you guys what it actually looks like. Right now I'm on my way to the gym, so I wanted to make sure I preserved my hair. That's why I wrapped it, and it hasn't even been like a week yet, so that's why I was gonna do that method where you put like 2 buns in your hair and then you put like a scarf or like a headband around your edges. I was gonna do that, but I'm like I want to make sure my hair lasts a little bit longer, at least like a week, until I do something that might actually make my hair revert all the way back. So yeah, today's Monday, so this Friday it will be a week. So I'm gonna try to wrap my hair as much as I can this whole week to make sure my hair can stay as straight as long as it can. And I do want to like maybe try to even do some heatless curls, either with bantu knots, or I was thinking about doing flexi rods, but I don't want to have like an uncomfortable sleep. That's why I might end up just probably doing like some bantu knots or something. But yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to the gym now, so I will see you guys when I get there. I'm chasing after you, no matter what I have to do, 'cause I need you more and more. Alright y'all, so I made it to the gym now. My hair is like, I'm hoping that it don't fall with it being wrapped up like this.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so.
Alright, so I am back from the gym now. I did a little vlogging of my workout. I did like a little bit of cardio, a little bit of abs, and then some glutes. I didn't want to like go too heavy just because I'm really nervous to see how my hair actually does turn out after having it wrapped with me going to the gym and working out. So I'm gonna take my shower and then maybe eat something, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result of my hair. And after that, that will be the end of this video. And yeah, I really do want to figure out what I'm going to eat because I had nachos yesterday. I made this pasta. I might have the pasta with like a salad, and then for dinner I'll probably just have a salad because I'm trying to limit my starch. And the pasta I made was actually really good. I accidentally put 2 different types of noodles, so that's kind of like what messed up the dish. But I have panini and then like this other form of noodles, and I have chicken and shrimp, and I made it with like dairy-free heavy whipping cream, and then I put some cheese in it, and I seasoned it and everything. So I didn't use any of the canned like sauce that you buy from the grocery store. So my camera is about to die. So I'm gonna, like I said, see you guys. I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm gonna come back when I've charged my camera and after I'm get dressed. Hey y'all, so I am back now after showering and eating. I wanted to come in here and show you guys my hair. I wrapped it like I said when I went to the gym. So now I'm getting ready to see if I sweated it out or if it lasted okay during my time at the gym. Okay, so this is my hair right now. It's in like a doobie. So I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Period. So far it looks like it's held up pretty good. Let's see. And y'all, you guys have to make sure like you give your hair time to dry after you sweat, especially if you know like you sweat in your head. It's definitely important to give your hair some time to dry so you don't like unwrap it before your scalp is fully dry. But yeah, y'all, this is my hair. I got it done on Friday, I believe, and today's Monday, so it hasn't even been a week yet, like I was saying. Alright, so I want to give you guys a different angle. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the front. So this is what it looks like from the front. My hair is growing some. I'm definitely gonna get like a protective style after this just so my hair can grow, because honestly my goal is for my hair to be like down here, like near my belly button, and as you guys see it's nowhere near that. But I did cut my hair and she dusted a little bit, so like I know it's not gonna be super long, but I'm just glad that my hair is healthy. This is what it looks like from the side. So yeah, you guys, I am going to show you guys probably when I do like my heatless curls. I'm going to do another video just to show you guys like how I style my hair other than just me wearing it straight down like this, because I definitely do want to try like new styles I haven't tried on my straight hair, especially just so that I don't get bored with like having it straight down the middle. But yeah, so I'm gonna definitely like give myself some opportunity to try different styles on my hair just so that I don't get tired with it being down the middle. and so that I can like be more versatile with the styles that I actually wear. But yeah, y'all, so that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.